Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of smart security for apartment living. We'll be reviewing some key features to look for in a smart security sensor. Perfect for keeping your apartment safe and sound. First up, let's talk about the essential sensors. Door and window sensors are a must-have. These little gadgets alert you the instant a door or window is opened, providing an immediate heads-up about potential intrusions. Look for sensors that are easy to install, battery-powered for convenience, and offer a long battery life. Consider sensors with tamper detection, so you're notified if someone tries to disable them. Next, motion sensors. These are great for detecting movement within your apartment. Place them strategically in hallways or living areas to monitor activity. For apartment use, you might prefer sensors with adjustable sensitivity to avoid false alarms from pets. Some motion sensors also have built-in environmental monitoring, such as temperature and humidity readings, which can be an added bonus. Beyond the basic sensors, smart security systems offer several advanced features. Look for systems with a central hub that connects all your sensors and allows for remote control via a smartphone app. This gives you the ability to arm and disarm your system, check sensor status, and receive instant alerts, no matter where you are. Consider integration with other smart home devices. Systems that work with voice assistants, like Amazon, Alexa or Google Assistant, offer hands-free control. Integration with smart locks, smart lighting, and security cameras can create a comprehensive security ecosystem for your apartment. Regarding the installation, most smart security systems are designed for easy DIY setup. However, always check if your apartment complex has any specific rules or restrictions regarding security systems. If you're not comfortable with the installation process, professional installation services are available. Privacy is paramount. Always review the privacy policies of the security system provider to understand how your data is handled. Ensure that the system uses encryption to protect your data and communications. When choosing a smart security sensor for your apartment, consider these factors: ease of installation, battery life, the range of the sensors, and compatibility with other devices. Reading online reviews from other apartment dwellers can provide valuable insights into real-world performance. In conclusion, smart security sensors offer a convenient and effective way to enhance the security of your apartment. With the right features and a little bit of research, you can find a system that fits your needs and gives you peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into smart security sensors, perfect for apartment living. Apartments have unique security challenges, so let's see how these gadgets can help. First, the basics. What are we talking about? Smart security sensors act as your apartment's eyes and ears when you're away. They come in various forms: door window sensors, motion detectors, and even water leak sensors. They connect to your Wi-Fi and send alerts to your phone when something's wrong. This gives you instant notifications about potential break-ins, water damage, or emergencies. Let's break down the types. Door window sensors are the most basic, alerting you when a door or window opens. Motion detectors sense movement in a designated area, great for hallways or living rooms. Water leak sensors are lifesavers, alerting you to floods early. Why are these useful for apartments? Apartment security can be tricky. You share walls, and you might not have full control over building security. Smart sensors give you personal protection. They're often more affordable and easier to install than a full security system. A big plus for renters. Choosing smart security sensors. Consider your needs: doors, windows. Think about your budget. Prices vary. Also, consider ease of installation. Some are wireless and easy to set up. Check compatibility with your smart home setup, like your smartphone or smart assistant. Product recommendations. Start with a well-reviewed entry-level kit. Look for door window sensors and a motion detector. Many reputable brands offer such kits, usually affordable. For example, insert brand name here. Has an easy-to-set-up, reliable starter kit. Expand your system gradually. Installation is straightforward. Most systems use adhesive strips or screws. You'll likely download an app to connect the sensors to your Wi-Fi and manage alerts. Follow the instructions carefully. You'll get smartphone notifications when a sensor is triggered. Most systems let you customize these. You can also set up rules turning on lights, sounding an alarm. Tips for optimizing apartment security. Keep doors, windows locked, even when home. Enable your system when leaving. Consider a smart lock for remote access, adding extra security. Regularly test your sensors. Inform your neighbors about your security system. In conclusion, smart security sensors are an excellent investment for apartment dwellers. They offer a simple, affordable, and effective way to protect your home. With the right sensors and some setup, enjoy peace of mind. Thanks for watching and stay safe.